Imagine a peaceful beach. A small crab is scuttling along the shore, moving toward a tall lighthouse standing near the water. The crab is curious. It wants to know the shortest distance from the top of the lighthouse to where it stands on the sand. This is a perfect real-world example of the Pythagorean theorem. If we draw the three lengths, it forms a right-angle triangle. Let's break it down. Let the length of lighthouse is A, meters tall. This is one side of a right-angled triangle. Let the crab is B, meters away from the base of the lighthouse. This is the other side of the right triangle. The shortest distance from the crab to the top of the lighthouse is the hypotenuse. Let's call it side C. By the Pythagorean theorem, A square plus B square equals C square. This theorem helps us find the shortest path when traveling diagonally, instead of moving along two sides of a right-angled path. Whether it's a crab and a lighthouse, a ladder leaning against a wall, or even navigation in space, the Pythagorean theorem is everywhere. Here's one more example. Imagine a girl named Emma walking home from school. Her house is at the corner of a park, and usually she takes the sidewalk, first walking A meters east and then turning left to walk B meters north to reach her house. But today, Emma is in a hurry. Instead of walking along both roads, she decides to take a shortcut across the lawn, walking diagonally straight to her house. Now, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to figure out exactly how much distance Emma saves. Let's define the sides of the right-angled triangle. Walking east, sidewalk, is 40 meters, side A. Walking north is 30 meters, side B. The diagonal shortcut is the hypotenuse, side SC. By the Pythagorean theorem, C square equals A square plus B square, substituting our values, C square equals 40 square plus 30 square. After simplification, C equals 50. So by taking the diagonal shortcut, Emma only walks 50 meters instead of 70 meters, that is 40 plus 30 meters. She saves 20 meters and gets home faster. This is why the Pythagorean theorem is so useful. It helps us find the shortest path between 2 points when moving diagonally. That's it for today's math adventure. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep discovering math in the world around you. Thanks for watching.